In March 2025, a new way of working was invented. Senior AI researcher Andrei Karpathy coined the term vibe coding. You quote, see stuff, say stuff, run stuff, and copy-paste stuff, and it mostly works. Vibe coding has taken the internet by storm, and virtually every codefluencer is following in the footsteps of God prophet indie hacker Peter Levels, who launched a low polyflight simulator social game with JavaScript and used his huge Twitter following to sell in-game ads to make loads of money. You've got to respect the genius grind set, and now everyone is vibe coding unfinished clone games and covering the web in AI slop while pretending it's working. But according to Anthropic's CEO Dario Amodei, this is our future. He recently stated that in just 12 months, virtually all code will be written by AI. In today's video, we will be looking at the do's and don'ts of vibe coding. Programming and coding are not the same skill. Coding is translating logic into computer commands. A 10x coder might be able to bang out 300 words per minute of perfect C++ code purely from muscle-memorized syntax, but LLMs are quickly making this art obsolete. A 6-year-old with an AI assistant can now write code faster than a level 6 Google engineer. But programming is a much broader ability. It's closer to a sense of good design instincts. The best programmers embody the wisdom less is more, and often spend more time deleting from than adding to a code base. And if you don't understand your app, from first principles, vibing won't save you. Take this guy on Elon.com who vibe coded some IP tracking software and landed his first paying customers. Not bad, but after announcing he vibe coded it, the internet trolls pounced. Quote, random things are happening. Maxed out usage on API keys, people bypassing the subscription creating random brackets on DB. He quickly took the app down and started again, this time at McDonald's. Despite this cautionary tale, vibe coding can succeed when done right. I predict we'll shortly see a unicorn startup built almost entirely through AI assistance, leveraging platforms like Ada and Replit agents, alongside cutting-edge AI coding tools such as Cursor and Windsurf. However, if you're planning to maximize your vibe coding potential with these technologies, I strongly recommend adhering to these 3 rules I just made. Rule number 1, stick with mainstream battle-tested tech stacks like React, Express, MongoDB, Redis, and Node.js for web development. LLMs excel at generating solutions for problems that thousands of developers have already solved and documented on platforms like GitHub and Stack Overflow. So even if you personally can't stand React, attempting to use some obscure cutting-edge JavaScript framework will absolutely destroy your vibe coding flow. Do everything in the most conventional way possible. For example, structure your project with standard directories like components, roots, and utils, rather than some clever custom organization. Rule number 2 is non-negotiable. Master Git and use it religiously. AI deletes code as fast as it writes code. Each answer an AI gives is unique, so you're not getting what you had back. So be careful about your version control and remember to save what actually works. Luckily, there's a suite of AI tools to help you like Claude Code, Git Butler for managing multiple branches simultaneously, Cursor's version control features, or even GitHub Copilot's Git integration. Rule 3 is the most important. Be a good product manager. You've just received 3 promotions and you no longer do any real work, you just ask others to do it. But there's a skill to this. So be polite, thoughtful, and break down your requirements into little chunks the AI can understand. Remember your please and thank yous and don't ask the AI for much in August. We've all never felt more agency than with AI, but remember, even the Levels game would not have worked without his huge follower count.